Friends, today we are going to discuss about how to write a report. A report is a description of an event. It is written here EVENT is there event that has already taken place. So actually what is meant by report? A report is a description of the event, the particular event that had already taken place. It is a factual account of some event or happening that may have occurred somewhere but is of interest to a general masses or the readers for whom it is meant. Always a report is what? It is a factual description of some incidents that is happened somewhere and having a common interest to the public. A newspaper report must be comprehensive but brief, factual yet interesting. So in a newspaper, when we are reading a newspaper, we came to know that all these things are covered with the news, but actually it is what? It is a reporting of the news about a particular incident. Suppose if a road accident happened somewhere, when we read it in the newspaper, we get a clear idea by their brief description. Factual reporting is the accurate and truthful coverage of an event. So it is what always the reporting must be what it would be a truthful coverage of the things that is happened. It is a brief review of the situation or a process that includes only the relevant points and information. So always a report is not an elaborate one. It should be very brief and it covers all the portions, all the reviews of the situation or process that includes the relevant point and information. So a report is a written composition. So in short we can say that a report is what? It is a written composition. In other words, we can say it is prepared to talk about a particular subject. So always means it is a written description about a particular subject. It is vivid expression of a personal experience on account of something heard, seen, done, studied, etc. mean to be published or broadcast. So always a report is what? A report is a real experience of a person, is something that he had heard, seen, done or studied, etc. meant to be published or broadcasted. The most common example in the newspaper reports we read in the newspaper every day. Reports can be many types, such as a newspaper report. Next, a report about an event or a function at a school, institute or organization. A report about an incident happening that you have witnessed. A report about an inquiry or a survey. So actually reports are many types. First of all, every day when we are reading the newspaper, we came to see so many reports about so many incidents, so many happenings around in the world. So that is a newspaper report. Second one, a report about an event or a function at a school, institute or organization. Suppose any event or any function is happened in our school, we will prepare a brief report about it by covering all the information about that particular function. So that is also a report. A report about an accident happening that you have witnessed. So if you happen to see an accident, if we are saying about that accident, how it happened, how many persons get injured, how many casualties are there, how many people killed in that accident, all these things are also a report. A report about an inquiry or survey. So after conducting a survey about a particular matter, then we briefly prepare a report about that survey. So that is also a form of a report. So some certain things we should point out or concentrate while we are writing a report. Be factual and do not add any information on your own that may seem fictitious. So always a report must be factual. So there is no exaggeration or there is no framed story should be added in a report. Write in indirect speech and preferably in passive voice. Always the report must be prepared in a indirect speech and preferably in passive voice. Write in third person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me or you. So while you are writing a report, you have to be very careful in using the expression of the language. Do not add the pronouns like I, me or you. Avoid imposing your personal opinion and do not make any conclusion. So at the end of the report, you cannot make any type of conclusion by your own. You have to only write what actually happened in that particular incident. Answer the questions to when, where, why, what, who and how. So when we are writing a report, we have to include all these things, answering the questions: when it happened, where it happened, why it happened, what about it, who is behind it, and how it is happened. Like all these things you have to be answer in that report, because what, then only a report will be a fully finalized one. Otherwise, but the people, those who are having reading the report, will be very confused how it happened, how it about the reader always be misguided if we are not adding by all these things. Format of a report. So format, that is very important. Headline, byline, headline. First you have to give a title, that is the headline. After that, byline. Byline means name of the reporter. So after writing the headline, we have to write the name of that reporter. Opening paragraph, then next details, next two paragraphs, then conclusive statement. So we can have a look at the marking scheme. Format, 1 mark. So there is 10 marks for report writing. So 4 plus 1, 5. For expression, 5 marks, then total 10 marks. So format, it is divided, these 10 marks is divided into 3 contents. That is, format is for 1 mark. Format includes headline, byline, date and place. Then content carries 4 marks. What, when, where, who, how the incident happened. So when we are writing, all these things should be come into a report. What is the reason behind the report, when it is happened, where it is happened, who, how the incident might be happened. All these things should be carried out. So the content, it is for 4 marks. Expression, 5 marks. Logic and relevant details without grammatical or spelling errors. So avoid spelling errors and grammatical mistakes. So altogether we will get 10 marks for the report writing. Then we can go to one practice question. You are Vinod or Vinita of Subhash Public School, Gorakhpur. Recently your school celebrated its silver jubilee. Write a report in 150 to 200 words for your school magazine describing the various programs arranged in your school for the celebration. Let's have a look at the answer. Silver Jubilee Celebration. So that is the heading by Saurabh Singh, plus 2B student. So Silver Jubilee Celebration, that is the title that is given there, and this report is prepared by whom? Saurabh Singh, 10B. So that is the byline. Byline means the name of the reporter. Subhash Public School, Gorakhpur recently completed its 25 years of establishment on 5th February 2000. Maybe year is not given here, 20. The management and staff of the school organized a grand function to celebrate the same. Mr. Prabhat Gupta, the DM of Gorakhpur, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The school premises was attractively decorated for the celebration, and the chief guest was received by the director and the principal of the school at the main gate. After the Saraswati Vandana and welcome song, Mr. Praveen Nagia, the school principal, gave a brief speech highlighting the meritorious service of the school to the cause of education for the past 25 years. The chief guest acknowledged the same in his speech thereafter. He honored 6 teachers for their dedicated service in the field of education. The students who were the all-rounders of each class were awarded medals by the DM. Students of the 3 houses presented a musical extravaganza, which was a special feature of the show. So while reading this report, one thing we have to clear is that the only things that is included is that, or the fact that is included in this report writing is what is happened in that particular program. No other information shall be included in this report. So there is no conclusion for this report also. So the writer or the reporter only express the things that he is experienced from that function. So let's have a look another format. Students, please write this format, this question, and take down this format in your writing book. As a member of the NSS group of your school, write a report for your school magazine on a recently organized blood donation camp. You are Kritika. So the reporter's name is also given in the question. So the reporter is what? Kritika. She is the reporter here. Blood donation camp, that is the title of this report. So in the question itself, it is clear that the title is what this program is based on, what, blood donation camp. So that is the title, and the reporter is what, Kritika. It is first we have to write the title. After the byline we have to write the writer's name, Kritika. Then what is her designation? Kritika's designation is what? She is the member of an NSS camp, NSS group. So she is a volunteer, NSS volunteer. So her designation is what? Member NSS. Then place, date. Place means where the event is actually happening. If it is happening in our school, we can write it as but Mundakaya Deepal Public School, Mundakayam, and also date is also added. After that, we have to write the body of the report. A blood donation camp was organized on October 13th, 2020. The activities of the camp were carried out the NSS wing of the school and the Blood of India Blood Bank. The chief guest for the occasion was the noted senior doctor of Apollo Hospital, Mr. Bhatt. He inaugurated the event by donating blood himself for a week before the camp. Special efforts were put into create awareness. This encouraged people to donate blood with an apprehension. Consequently, the number of blood donors surpassed the estimated numbers. Blood of India appointed 10 doctors for the event. They worked through the day to collect the blood. The donors were given juice and fruits after the donation. Later, the chief guest presented the NSS volunteers with the appreciation certificates. He congratulated everyone for organizing this noble event. So, what we came to know about from this report, the actual thing or the things that is happened in that event, only that is described in this report. So, students, please note this format on your writing book. So, this is the format of writing a report. Always you have to what? Always you have to be very careful in the format of writing a report. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.